Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just having a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, because of that wider market capitulation we're seeing over the past few days, Polygon looking like potentially it was actually coming up here, trying to break out of that 618 resistance. You can see we came up, we tested it, we come back down, we tested it again here, and we were actually looking pretty good, weren't we? The RSI wasn't actually showing that many bearish divergences on the daily time frame at the very least, but obviously with that wider market sell-off that we are seeing because of FTX, and guess what, another black swan event for the cryptocurrency space in the bear market to try and push the price lower. We can see here Polygon has actually fallen all the way back down here, back down inside of that previous range that it had been trading inside of. You can see for a good while here we were, essentially chopping sideways in the markets like this, just heading sideways, not really doing that much. And we can see quite clearly here that we did get that breakout to the upside, but retested resistance and failed to break it. We came down here yesterday, back testing this level here with this big wick, trying to back test that previous swing high as support, but we did lose it because of that, that parabolic capitulation that we are seeing, and now falling back inside of our range here, losing the 20 EMA, losing the top of the range. Now back testing the 55 moving average on the daily, trying to find some footing as we are falling to the downside in the wider market. We can see here, Polygon doing something like this, and now coming back down potentially inside the range, where we could see ourselves getting stuck back inside the range. If we do see the markets, fall to the downside and continue to fall, we could easily see Polygon down in these areas here, back at the bottom of the range. Now we're back inside it, just continuing to chop sideways until we build up momentum in the markets over the next few months again for another move to the upside. If we do see that full capitulation for Polygon to the downside. So, we're having a big swing to the downside right now for a lot of cryptocurrencies, aren't we? But overall, Polygon, it's still holding fairly bullish market structure, isn't it? I mean, yes, we've had this fake out to the upside to test the 618 there, but we've still had this higher high and this higher low. We've actually made that higher high again, haven't we? So we could easily come down here and just chop sideways for a while before getting another push to the upside. Or we could see, potentially some of these areas actually getting a bounce to the upside as well, depending on what happens next. Obviously, it's hard to predict, especially with such uncertainty in the markets right now. But we'd say realistically, now that Polygon's back inside of its range, that we're probably going to see it, come down, test the range low, and just chop sideways here until, we can figure out what's happening with the wider market. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.